So, good afternoon. Some time ago, I replaced the lower boot for the intake system here. And what happened now is the rough idle came back, not the high idle, but the rough idle. And I did a extreme smoke test. That takes a lot of pressure. And the problem is underneath here, where this plate and this upper part of the airflow metering unit meets up, and the gasket underneath, which is in there. And that breaks here in a miniature fracture, which you can't even see, only when you apply high pressure or vacuum here. And this will change the behavior of the engine with temperature. So when it gets warm and that rubber gets a little bit more relaxed from the heat, then the leakage becomes greater and your RPM is going to be, idle RPM is really low because we're bypassing the regulation here. And the other problem is that when you turn on the air conditioner, the engine almost chokes off. And this is where this is coming from. I thought first from underneath, but it is actually this position here where this all clamps together. The boot, the lower frame, and the upper unit, the housing unit, with the airflow metering unit in there. I just wanted to throw this in because it took me almost a year before this came back. I replaced the boot, I think a year and a half ago, I think it was. I made a video. And this is now the new boot, and it started to rough idle and low idle. Low idle, I mean 500, 550 RPM. And this is primarily here, and it changes with temperature because of that thick rubber. With that, you have a great afternoon.